In part 12, I finished the front legs, so let's do the back ones. But first, I need to fix this because I just realized it's too forward. So let me go and select these ones. And I'm also going to turn this on, like so. And of course, turn on the screencast again. Okay, so let's do this. I want to do... Oh, I just realized it's a bit too weird down here. That's okay, I can fix it. Actually, I don't want to turn it off. Here, let me turn this back off again. I want to turn this down to only those three. And let's do like this. Oh, this one is not, like, needs to be like this. Almost there. Okay, so let me rotate some. I need to fix this. Oh, turn this off. And then this. Yeah, it's one of those things where you look at and you think it's done, but then you look at it again like a day later and it looks kind of weird, so you go and fix it. That's what I'm doing here. Also, I think it's too small right here, so I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this. Let's try smoothing. Actually, let me do this first. Okay, go to Edit, Circle Tool, because when you make those kind of edits, it tends to make them elliptical, and I don't want that here. Some people do, but I don't. So let's do this. Also, there. Okay, what else do I need to do? Oh, yeah, this one. Let's see, rotate it though. I think it's fine where it is. Oh, that looks kind of weird. So let me individual origins this time. Actually, no. I want to do median point. Nope. It's always so cool. Here, let's move over here and think that would work. Okay, so let me go ahead and save this. And okay, so now one other thing before I continue is this. So I actually want to do this because I noticed at the toes, you can see that it's round, but it looks kind of not as round alike. So here's what I can do. So I need to go over here first. Size 3 right here. Just S slide here. I want to make it bigger. And then with the hex faces because I like using these in the fingers and toes because they're so good for me. I'll make it smaller. And that's almost what I want. All I have to do is make these even bigger. I'll go over here. Oh, I think the problem is the hexagons are too small now. So let me do this. Yay, they're now spherical toes. I like that on these things because it looks good. At least to me it does. Okay, so I'm going to save it so I don't lose that hard work. Oh, except... Okay, it still looks kind of big, so let me do this. This time, my 3 curves are already right there, so I can just do this, turn this on, and I'm also going to scale it down like this. Yeah, let's turn this off now. Scale this up some, and... let me do a sphere though, it does help. Yeah, so if I do this, I don't want that small though, just showing you that that's what it does. Let's see. I think right there is good. How's that? Okay, so let me move this in some. Not that much out though. Let me change that to smooth and then do this. Yeah, that's better. Let's see. Yeah, of course, do this too. Oh, now that's in too much. Yeah, this is one reason why I do 2 legs instead of 4 legs, because this is, well, not the easiest for me. Also, I need to do this. And of course, circle. Oh, it's a little flat right here. Let me do this. There you go. Yeah, okay, so I think that's good for this part. So now, I can work on the back legs. So let's do that. So, instead of recreating the back legs like I did the front legs, I'm just going to be lazy and just... Well, it's not lazy, but it's time saving at least. Just going to select this whole leg right here. And I'm just going to duplicate on the y-axis. I'll put it about... Let's see... I'll put it about here. Yeah, I think that'd be good. And of course, there's these faces I need to delete. So let's see which ones. Oh yeah, before I do this though, I have to make sure that the number of edges match. That's 10 edges. And so if I do, I think it's these ones right here. These faces right here. And let's see. Yep, that means I can do this. Before I do that though, I want to modify some. Actually, let me do this. Here, I'll do the cursor to origin again. So I get like a center, and I'm going to scale this wider. Oh, never mind, that's fine. Yes, I want to do like that. Or I could just, yeah. And then I just want and just do this. Oh, oops. I need to do this one too. Okay. There. Okay, so now just select this leg right here. Actually, just like this top part, and now I want to move it up some, like this. Let's try rotating some, make it bigger, because back legs tend to be bigger than front legs. That's kind of weird, but I'll fix it eventually. So let me just rotate some. Almost there. Okay, now go ahead and do this. Oh, except for... No, I'll just do this now. So, bridge edge loops, and... Let's see. Yeah, the seam right here, because, you know, like every time I use the loop tools, it always turns off merge. Which I find annoying. And yeah, that's what it looks like now. So let me go ahead and save this. And then I'm actually going to, well, fix up his back leg some. So let's do that. Oh, that looks weird. Luckily, it's not the hardest in the world. So what I'm going to do first is this. Take these right here. I'm going to move it up. Let's say about here. Yeah, that looks weird, but like I said, it will be easy fixable. Well, at least fixable enough. I actually want to rotate it around first, though. Yeah, you see when rotating a certain way, it makes it thicker, and it's because the cursor actually gets better. So, oh yeah, so another thing I do is this. So, let me go ahead and add a loop tool right here. Loop cut right here. Of course, circle, rotate it some, and put it about here. And of course, I also need to do this. Let's see if I do this one right here. Rotate some. Let's do like this. I actually don't want to do that. I want to do it here instead. Okay, so let's see. I think if I do this, this might help with that. That's kind of weird. Let me just do this. Okay, so I'm past 10. So I'm past 10 mark. So I just have to continue from there. First, let me save this, and then I'll be back. So we're going to part 14.